Good day, students. Good day, learners. So, for today, I'm gonna be your teacher. So, I will introduce myself first. My name is Rabelardo Vivagaporo, but you can call me Teacher Rab. So, for today's lecture session, ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano nga ba yung mga parts of the body natin. So, listen carefully, students, so that you will know kung ano-ano nga ba yung parts of the body natin. This is our hair. This is our hair. This is our face. This is our face. This is our ear. This is our ear. This is our eyes. This is our eyes. This is our nose. This is our nose. This is our mouth. This is our mouth. This is our tongue. This is our tongue. This is our neck. This is our neck. This is our shoulder. This is our shoulder. This is our chest. This is our chest. This is our arm. This is our arm. This is our elbow. This is our elbow. This is our hands. This is our hands. This is our belly. This is our belly. This is our legs. This is our legs. This is our knee. This is our knee. This is our toe. This is our toe. This is our foot. This is our foot. So, students, yun yung mga parts of the body natin. Sana, student, matandaan ninyo kung ano-ano yung mga parts of the body natin. Mga basic lang yung mga parts of the body na tinuro ko sa inyo at sana matandaan nyo yun. And sa susunod, ituturo ko sa inyo na naman ang ibang-ibang parts of the body. Yun lang, students. Thank you for listening. Goodbye!